Hi, open up this package with me. I'm a blogger, I get like tons of PR. And this one, I have a feeling has some cereal in it. What do you think? Like I get this in the mail and people are just like, what is happening? And I'm like, yeah, this is mine. So just, hold up one moment. I don't really know how we're gonna open it yet. This feels like probably it was not the intended path, but you know what? It's working for me, so. Okay, there's a lot of shit in here. Hold up. I mean, stuff. Sorry, Grandma. Okay. We got the loaded box with the cereals. Wait, is they gonna be like mixed or something? This could be fun. More loaded. Good grief. Hang on. There's like boxes and boxes. More. I think it's gonna be loaded, guys. I don't know. I could be wrong. Oh, but then there's cereal, so. Cinnamon Toast Crunch loaded with vanilla cream frosting. What is this one? Cocoa Puffs loaded with vanilla cream frosting? Okay. And then finally we have, what's this one? Tricks. Okay. Silly Rabbit tricks for kids who want to pass out from a sugar rush. Let's figure out what else we have, shall we? An opening. I hope it's like a bowl. This feels bowl shaped. It's totally a bowl. Right. I mean, that wasn't fair. Like, it's from cereal, and I'm like, I hope it's a bowl. Like, that was not psychic, right? Man, is this okay for eating out of? Living cereal rich. Oh, okay. So this is like gonna be my bling life. All right. Let's go. Oh, don't look at my belly. The shirt's a little bit shorter than it should be. Okay. It's a spoon. But it's like got a roller, like a amethyst like roller on the end of it. Hold up. Like, that's for real. Oh, ow. Sorry. Okay. So I guess you're like in the morning. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, think about it. What if this is getting you like cold and you're like, I'm gonna eat cereal. I'm definitely doing this. But we have another package to open before we can get that far. Man, I'm gonna have to pick which one I'm gonna eat. What could this be? I want to do it like this, so that way you guys feel like you're a part of it. My husband's gonna be jealous of all my cereal. I love cereal. Loaded. Loaded. Also loaded. It's gonna get weird up in here. We're gonna try it and stuff. Okay. Whatever this is, it's plush and blue. Okay? That's what we know so far. Man, I really want to open this. I feel like I'm not in it fast enough. Okay, this is soft, actually. This is like... Is this a robe? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, baby, do you wish you were wearing this robe on your body? There we go. What is this? Okay, my robe... Oh, maybe that's like my... Is that for my snacks? This is for my snacks. This is a bag. Look, look, look. It's a snack bag. Okay, let me put this on. Hold up. Okay. This is pretty exciting. Okay. Oh, wait, I dropped the... It does... I kind of just feel like this is my Big Lebowski moment, you know? It's my time. You mess with the dude abides. I can't even remember. This is all I can remember for that movie. Okay, I got one, but hold up. Gotta do the other one. This is so soft. It's so cuddly. Okay, wait, I gotta go this way so you can read the word. I feel like I match it. I feel like it matches me. It's like me in this super soft, cuddly robe. We were meant to exist as one. Okay. Okay, so like it's in the morning and I'm like, oh, wait, I gotta go get some milk. Okay. I'm gonna wash this bowl out and this spoon. One moment. Okay. All right. So it's early in the morning. I think I'm gonna go Cocoa Puffs is my favorite cereal. So I'm gonna go Cocoa Puffs. Okay. Okay. I'm in. We're gonna try the loaded cereal. Loaded. Oh, I'm sorry. Loaded. This is nice because if I get bored, I can amethyst roll while we're waiting. I'm not gonna lie, if this was like, I'd probably actually do this. It's probably like a way I would actually do it. I'm not great at skincare, okay? Ooh, I'm gonna try one. That's a lot. I'm gonna switch to Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I feel like I can't eat a whole bowl of this. But my husband can. So we're gonna make him a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm gonna try it though. Once I get it in the bowl. I'm gonna bring it close though and like do some shotorinos. So one moment. Okay. Are we ready? Nice. Right? Okay. Now we're going to pour some water in. This isn't water. That would be disgusting. Okay, we're ready. Oh, you want to watch? Yeah, you do. Gotta be careful. Then, you ready? It's actually pretty good.